Why does your scanner show the P0541 engine code? What does it mean? P0541 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air heater A circuit low. The P0541 engine code for indicate your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected the voltage in the air intake heater LIMI. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty intake air heater relay, damaged heater element, corroded or loose electrical connections, wiring issues, weak battery or poor grounds. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Acura, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.